Good day, everyone. I'm a call center agent. Every day, I talk to people from around the world. Some are curious, some are calm, and some are, frustrated. One moment, I'm helping a customer to fix their technical issue. The next, I'm convincing someone not to cancel their subscription. In this job, I've learned one important truth. Words have power. Oh, wait. I've got a call. Wait a minute.
According to O'Hare and Stewart 1999, persuasive speech is a communication strategy that aims to influence people's opinions, beliefs, or behaviors. This skill goes way back to Aristotle, who introduced three tools of persuasion: ethos, pathos, and logos. In a call center, these are not just ancient theories. They are what we use every single day. Whether it is convincing a customer to stay with our company, promoting a product, or simply calming someone down, persuasion is the heart of what we do. Let me share with you what makes persuasion truly effective, especially in our field. First, being audience-centered. In a call center, our audience is the customer. We may not see them, but we listen to their tone, their words, and even their silence. According to Lumen Learning 2019, being audience-centered means focusing on the listener's needs and emotions. For example, if a customer calls angry about a bill, we don't start by defending ourselves. We start by understanding. I understand how frustrating this must be, and I'm here to help you fix it. That line alone can change the entire tone of the call. Second, persuasion needs a strong argument. We can't just say, please stay or buy this. We have to give reasons, logical, emotional, and credible ones. If a customer wants to cancel because of price, I might say, I understand the concern about cost, but this plan actually helps you save $500 monthly compared to the standard rate, and it includes 24/7 customer support just for you. See the balance? Logic, credibility, and empathy. That's what makes the argument strong. And lastly, there must always be a call to action. After presenting benefits, I don't just end with thank you, I end with direction. So, would you like me to renew your plan now so you can continue enjoying the service? As Duarte 2024 says, a call to action turns a message into movement. Without it, even the best persuasive words just fade away. Now, like any good speech, a persuasive call has structure, introduction, body, and conclusion. Our introductions starts the moment we answer the call, a warm, confident greeting. Thank you for calling. My name is Jazel. How can I assist you today? It creates the first impression. The body is the heart of persuasion. It is where we listen, empathize, and respond with logic and evidence, showing customers that we truly understand and can solve their problem. Finally, the conclusion. It ties everything together. We summarize the benefits and confidently guide the customer toward the decision. I'm glad we resolved this together. Let's proceed with the renewal so you won't lose your benefits. It is clear, kind, and action-oriented, just like a well-structured persuasive speech. But even skilled agents make mistakes when persuading. The first mistake is disorganized communication. If we jump from one point to another, the customer gets confused and frustrated. A smooth, logical flow keeps them engaged and trusting. The second is emotional overload. In heated calls, it's easy to mirror the customer's anger. But according to Brem's theory, reminds us too much emotion distracts rather than persuades. A calm tone shows control, and customers trust calmness more than passion. Another mistake is ignoring counter arguments. If a customer says, I have found a cheaper service, and we ignore it, we lose a chance to win them back. Instead, we can respond respectfully. I understand, but may I share what makes our service worth the value? Lastly, using unreliable information weakens credibility. In call centers, honesty is key. If we make false promises just to close a sale, we lose not only the customer but the company's reputation too. Now, persuasion can go wrong when we use fallacies or false reasoning. The ad hominem fallacy happens when someone attacks a person instead of the issue. For example, blaming the customer for not understanding instead of clarifying the concern. Next is the appeal to pity. Occurs when we try to gain sympathy instead of using logic, like saying, please don't cancel, I will get in trouble. That is manipulation, not persuasion. And lastly is the hasty generalization. It happens when we assume all customers feel the same after just one call. Every customer is unique and deserves a personalized approach. That's why ethics matter. A persuasive call should always respect the customer's autonomy, their right to choose freely and be informed.
Finally, persuasion isn't only about what we say, but how we say it. In call centers, nonverbal communications mean tone, pacing, pauses, and energy. Even though customers can see us, they can feel our sincerity through our voice. A warm tone, confident posture, and controlled pace show professionalism and empathy. To sum it all, persuasion is the heart of customer communication. It is not about forcing people to agree. It's about connecting, understanding, and guiding them toward the right choice. As a call center agent, I've learned that persuasion is more than selling or convincing. It's about building trust, one call, one conversation, one voice at a time.